Hello world, today we're going to make an XY project that this project will let us know where is our mouse pointer, what is the position of our mouse pointer using XY. So let's get started. Let's just go to the costumes. And then we're going to bring out a circle. Just going to delete this cat sprite. Make the circle red. Now let's make it very tiny. Alright, great. Now don't forget to save our project. Go back to the code. Now you see our ball at the middle of the project. When we press it, nothing happens. So, in order to let it work, first we have to go to Events and take out the block when green flag is clicked. Then we are going to Motions. And I want to make it go to mouse pointer forever. Okay, now when we click the green flag, it will go to my mouse pointer forever. And now, how will I let it tell me what is the position of my mouse pointer? That's easy, so let's go to Looks. Then we're going to take out a say block without any seconds. And now we're going to Operators. And bring out the join block. Let's go to Motions once again. Then we're going to let it know X position and Y position. Now it's working, but I want to make it more specific. So let's bring out these two blocks once again. Then we're going to duplicate them. This time we're going to put X equals. Then we're going to put a little space so it can be space, and then we're going to stick together. Then we're going to bring out a join block once again. We're going to make it good. Hold on. We're going to put a block in here, and then we're going to put in the X position here. Now we're going to duplicate it. Now we're going to delete the X position block and bring in the Y position, and then we're going to edit and then make it Y. Now we're going to put the X in the first position, then bring the Y to the last position, which is the second place. Now let's check it out. Great, now it's working. The Y is sticking with the X position we're going to bring out the drawing block once again, and this time we're going to put space. Alright, let's try again. Very good. Now we can use this same way to let people know that we are using the sprite position. Let's try one more thing. Let's go to choose a sprite. Now we're going to take out the ball. Okay, now we are going to, when green flag click, we'll stay here, go to X negative 41 and Y negative 38. And now how are we going to, now we are going to let it move around. When space key press is click, I'm going to go to motions and I'm going to let it go to random position, and then make sure it doesn't go off the edge. I'm going to make it if on edge bounce. Then let's check it. See, it goes anywhere. Now how are we going to let it know that? Now how are we going to know that where is this ball position? What is the X and Y? So we're going to do the same code. We're going to this section, green flag. Then we're going to we're going to take out the forever block. And save it. This forever block will make it do it forever. Let's once again, we're going to copy this thing. I'm going to do like this, move. Alright. It is back. Now let's check it in full screen. When I press space, it will move around. Awesome. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.